These are the Derren Brown playing cards. What up, crew? Of course, today we'll be looking at these Derren Brown playing cards made in collaboration with Theory 11, manufactured by the USPCC, and printed on premium paper stock. Taking a look at the overall tuck case, this deck just looks absolutely stunning. It looks like one of those antique books that my grandpa used to have on one of his bookshelves. That's what it reminds me of. The front of the tuck case is obviously the book cover. It says playing cards right here, courtesy of Derren Brown, and you can see the small text right below Derren Brown. It actually says and TX11, which means and Theory 11. And now up top, I actually had to look this up. It says Ud Amabilis Esto. I'm probably butchering that pronunciation, by the way, but it means to be loved, be lovable. The back, of course, is the back side of the book, which also looks unbelievable. And I may have forgotten to mention this earlier, but you probably saw that this entire tuck case is embossed, giving it that really nice touch to it. You can see that the text back here says Ex Libris, which actually means from the books of or from the library of. And right under that, you actually see a little symbol here. That's actually Derren Brown's initials. So it actually says from the library of Derren Brown, which is, I gotta say, that's pretty genius. The sides of the tuck case actually look like golden leaflets of the book, which honestly, I don't even have words to describe how beautiful that looks. And of course, you can see the spine of the book right here. It says the collected works of psychological illusionist London's Derren Brown and Theory 11 of New York, purveyor of unrivaled playing cards. Now the sticker or stamp in this case actually says upheld by royal decree, first edition playing cards, incomparable quality. And I have no idea what that little word right here is, so if you know, just let me know down in the comments below. So as usual, Theory 11 just nailing it with this tuck case. Opening up the tuck case, we can see again Ex Libris DB. So we've learned a lot of Latin today, and we know that it means from the library of Derren Brown. I'm going to be a Latin expert by the time this is over. On the inside of the flap, you can see the gold foil design, which just looks beautiful. Now taking the cards out, the back of the deck actually looks very classic and elegant, and also differs slightly than what you see on the actual tuck case back. As for the extra cards, it comes with a nice double backer, key for CardMechanic right here, and a nicely designed ad card which says playing cards courtesy of Derren Brown, the psychological illusionist from London town, published by Theory 11. And you see that nice design that we're used to seeing throughout the whole theme of this deck. This deck also comes with two identical jokers. He looks like half devil, half angel, or a devilish angel. Is that a thing? And on the bottom here, it says he knows all. Unfortunately, there's no type of reveal within these jokers, but I think this joker looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at the custom aces. So the ace of spades, you get kind of like an Inception vibe from it. It says Theory 11 presents Ace of Spades, official playing cards, courtesy of Derren Brown. And on the small little text here, it says trademark. So really, really awesome ace of spades. The ace of diamonds also looks quite nice. It has like an anchor here in the center. It says Ace of Diamonds, and on the bottom it says London, UK on very tiny text. So continuing with the Ace of Clubs, we see that it's a nicely designed club. You can actually see a club right here in the center. And two crows or ravens, I'm not exactly sure what they are, but it also says London, UK here on the bottom. And the Ace of Hearts has two keys in it, kind of like a key to your heart kind of thing. And it says Ace of Hearts with London, UK written on the bottom. The pips and indices in this deck are also different compared to a regular bicycle deck. The pips look smaller and rounded, and the indices are smaller and of a different font. The court cards are also all custom, and they kind of have an old school type feel to them, really adding to the whole antique feel of the deck. And of course, the difference is very easy to spot when compared to the bicycle court cards. Overall, Theory 11 Derren Brown killing it with that design. As far as handling goes, these cards do feel a little thicker than the cards that I'm used to handling, so I probably wouldn't use these for cardistry, but here I am using them anyway. But definitely great for card games, card magic, and simply just for pure display. As you guys probably know, I love deck secrets, but alas, there are no secrets here. I kind of expected there to be some kind of secret because, come on, like, he's Derren Brown, but I'll let him slide this time because he really killed it when it comes to the elegance of these cards. Closing down with my final thoughts, I'm going to be completely honest sharing my opinions. Hands down, I think Theory 11 just does an excellent job in the execution of its deck. And what I really loved about this one is how it looks like an exquisite antique book that's just waiting to be opened. As always with me, I'm a simple guy, so I actually do like the faces of these cards. I even like the aces, even though they're a bit more complex. The back of the cards, however, I feel like it's quite a lot to take in, so it's a bit too much going on for me, but again, that's kind of what adds the whole rustic charm to this deck. Now, I still don't have a rating system for decks yet, but the question is, should you buy these? I mean, come on, guys. Honestly, I wish they had more types of decks like these, like just so I can make a mini bookshelf. And just, every time I want to, I want to take a deck out, I just tilt this back, pull it out like that. That would just be so cool. I need more. I need more types of these decks being made. So if that doesn't answer the question, yes, I would 100% recommend this deck. If you guys enjoyed this video, there are more deck reviews on my channel that you guys can check out. So I'll see you there. Peace out.